Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Femina Beauty Awards 2026 Red Carpet. So excited to be with this person who's beautiful inside out, my absolute favorite woman. She is Aditiva. Did you look at her? Hello, beautiful.
Hi, Rudrani. I'm so happy to see you after so long.
Always. How much I have tried to get hold of Aditi. Now we will have to do a longer version of this on camera. No, but it's always such a pleasure. I mean it. Beautiful beauty inside out. We've seen the standards of beauty change over the years, the evolution in the beauty industry, and I think it's such a relief. How do you look at that conversation?
I mean, yeah, standards have changed. I think there's so much more conversation about authenticity, but I also feel like there is quite a lot of pressure also. But maybe because everybody's owning it, I think that's a nice change. In terms of, I think people are making their own decisions. People are deciding what their version of beauty is, what makes them feel beautiful, and I think that's a wonderful thing. 100%. I hope more people do that though.
No, absolutely. And I think dheere dheere karke this needs to really change because it's been really difficult for women to really be authentic. I mean, it's really been difficult.
I think I think authenticity is something that possibly comes naturally to each person, but the noise around you maybe puts pressure on people. So I think just to be able to cut out the noise and do what makes you feel good. And I think there's nothing more beautiful than the feeling of feeling beautiful. And usually that comes out of making people feel good around you. Like to me.
Of course. I know it's going to sound cliched, but I thought you looked so truly beautiful in all your wedding pictures. Because what you're saying about being authentic, I saw it there even. I know it's a very important part of your life, but I felt like you had it the way you wanted to. Because I think there is a lot of pressure around brides to look a certain way, also to do it in that damn way. But you didn't let that affect you. Do you think? I don't know. I always feel you looked just such a happy bride.
Yes, I think I was a happy bride. I am still a happy bride.
Of course you are. Well, say, isn't it? You kept saying it's the way we wanted to.
Yeah, but I also thank my family for that because there was no pressure from them. They were like, whatever makes you happy. And we were just all together. And it was also very small and we kept it very quiet. So that also makes it very like sacrosanct and sacred and intimate. And like I feel like weddings are so like you need every human being over there needs to have only the best thoughts for you and only blessings. And when you can feel that, I think that's a very special feeling.
Okay, so I told you, I think you looked so beautiful in it. When was the last time you felt truly beautiful?
I'd like to say that, the true test is when you're feeling like completely down and out, or when you're really tired, or when you're not so well. Um, and and then you can still sort of feel good about yourself or feel good when you meet people you haven't seen for a long time or just keep that positivity around you. I think that's the real test. Like I feel like today is one of those days where you're just torn in every direction and you're just running helter-skelter. And then you just say, okay, I'm going to just be the best version of myself and I'm going to show up and do what I love to do and be here for the people who want me to be here. Yeah.
Aditi is a girl's girl. She never likes gatekeeping anything. So, Aditi, could you tell everybody one small little thing that it was? Like, I know you do a lot of homemade recipes and you have those.
I'm melting.
Yeah, it is really hot here. But is there a nuska that you'd like to share with everybody? I know you don't gatekeep anything. So, for all the girlies out there.
Yeah. So I don't know what to say because honestly, these things, each person's skin is so different. And I don't want anybody to get upset about this. But I basically put the kitchen on my face. I have learned that from my mother, I guess. I have learned that from my mother, actually, who's all about keeping it natural. The maximum makeup, like my mother ever wears, is kajal and a kumkum bindi. Um, so, yeah, it's dahi and milk and various other concoctions. Basically, if I'm drinking a smoothie, if it's got like a lot of fruit and yogurt, I'll just slap the remainder onto my face. I literally do that. I roam around with a purple face at times. So yeah, you'd pretty much find anything from my kitchen on my face. Not brinjal, not chilies, but other things.
See, the last one is I know it's melting out here. Aditi, There are so many beautiful moments in that I see on screen for you. I want you to tell me where you were decently satisfied, because I know you get very awkward saying, how can I say I'm looking very nice? But there are moments that you're satisfied with now, how you're looking on screen. For us, there are many, because that face can never really look bad, but
You know, honestly, um, I don't know how to explain this, but I look at myself through other people's eyes. So yeah, so like I feel like uh, I love to surrender to a director and their vision. I love to surrender to, like I love to no, I love to, like, yeah, of course, but I love to surrender to the artistry of what it is that I'm doing, right? And so when they are happy and when I see a twinkle in their eyes or when I see a smile on their face, and you recognize that, right, where they feel like this is what they envisioned and you have inhabited that, I think that makes me feel really good. I can't say any more about it. Even Siddharth, like if he says something a particular way, it's just the look in the eyes that makes you feel really like good.
yes, all the singer people are feeling that. We see it on Instagram. You all are too cute. But thank you so much. It is very hot, but you look gorgeous. I love you, Adu. Have fun. So excited to be with the beautiful Medha at Femina Beauty Awards 2026 in this wonderful red carpet. So excited always. And look at you acing every look. Huh?
Just see you after so long.
Always, always. But Beauty Awards, we've seen the beauty industry, the standards of beauty evolve over the years. I want you to tell me what is your idea of the evolution of beauty and the understanding of beauty today. Hang on.
I really believe in less is more when it comes to beauty, and I really believe that your authenticity really shines through. So, yeah, don't try to copy everyone else. I like the individuality that's happening in today's times in terms of fashion and beauty.
Correct. Okay. So many products, but sometimes, like you said, less is more. 3 makeup products that you feel are enough to pull off a very more than decent beauty face.
Concealer, blush, lipstick.
There you go. Easy peasy. Okay. मुझे पता है I don't know if you're gatekeeping, but there might be few things that you do that you feel are घर के नुस्खे that really works for you. Let's not gatekeep. Why don't you share it?
I do put haldi, besan, and dahi on my face sparingly, but I put almond oil pretty much every night on my face.
Okay. Do you think beauty treatments are a fad or a reality?
It depends what kind of beauty treatments. Something very aggressive, I don't know because I've not gotten anything done. But I think different things work for different people. But just being consistent with your skincare really shows.
Absolutely. What is one thing that you do or change about yourself to feel beautiful? Women have so much of the world is judging them on. I want you to tell me when was the last time you felt truly beautiful and something that you do to encourage yourself to feel more beautiful.
I think every time I'm very comfortable and I'm extremely happy, it really shows on my face. So I would just say, just be happy, guys. It'll show on your beautiful faces.
That is so true. Okay, if you had to do a beauty face swap with any actor for 24 hours only, tell me which actor you choose and why.
Like you're saying, whose makeup I like?
No, or like a face, if you can live that person's life for 24 hours.
Deepika.
Oh, you just explain why you chose her.
She's stunning. She's stunning with makeup, without makeup, with fashion, no fashion. I think she's gorgeous.
I love that. Okay, a beauty trend or a makeup trend that you absolutely do not want to follow. You don't want to follow.
Extremely heavily smoky eyes is something that I've never done. Not yours is nice. I'm saying heavily. And what fashion trend? Skinny jeans, I don't want them back.
Good. Stay away. We are happy. Okay, and the last one, of course, is there the beauty advice that you've been given in life that you truly follow? What is that?
One beauty advice, I feel if you're not acne prone, maybe just try putting almond oil on your face. It really worked for me over the years. So if you're a dry skin person like me, it might work.
Going by her beautiful face card that never declines. Let's follow that. Thank you so much, and you're always so beautiful. Welcome to Femina Beauty Awards 2026 red carpet. She is beautiful inside out, a woman who always inspires and is a winner today also, but almost every day. Hina Khan, thank you for doing this, Hina.
Thank you, Rudrani. After a very, very long time, thank you so much for having me.
I know. We've missed you, and it's always exciting to see you, but today a special moment.
Yes, a special one indeed. I like the category. I like what I've been awarded for, Beauty with a Purpose. And As I mentioned, what life has thrown at me, I made sure that I love each and every version I became, and I'm so proud of it.
And we are so proud of you. It's always wonderful to see you drop the facts and reality about beauty and otherwise. अच्छा लगता है ना कि अब जो स्टैंडर्ड्स थे ब्यूटी के लिए थोड़े चेंज हुए हैं. There's so much pressure on women and I think it's wonderful to see that.
Yes, you should be. You should feel loved. You should feel beautiful from within, in your own skin and the way you look. You're gorgeous. You're beautiful. And trust me, it all comes from within. So I feel it from within, and I love it.
You know, when has been the last time?
Look at her. Just look at her.
Look at her. She is. Look at her. But I want to ask you something. When was the last time you felt truly beautiful? कहते हैं ना, I think women have a lot of insecurities and I think you have inspired a lot of them when they see the confidence that you have been doing everything. You know, whether it is the way you've been dealing with the journey that you went through or otherwise.
You know, when I felt truly beautiful, it was a moment when I was going through a journey and I shaved my head off. And it's not a sob story. I want to put it out in a different way. The way I perceived it, the way I felt it, when I made my parents believe that I'm still pretty, I'm still beautiful. And they believed it. They believed that version of me and they loved me. And I didn't have to hide my scalp. I didn't have to cover my head. I just felt loved exactly the way I was loved before. So that's the time, that's the moment when I felt extremely pretty from within.
So well put. You continue to inspire us. So excited to be at the Femina Beauty Awards 2026 with Lisa Man, who's secure, who's handsome, and who's extremely talented. I am, of course, talking about Vedang Raina. And you're already looking awkward, but it's okay. We should compliment men.
Sure, absolutely. I love getting compliments and thank you for this wonderful introduction.
Of course, you know, the standards of beauty have changed over the years, and which is great, right? There's a certain set standards that men, women, all genders were expected to kind of follow. And I think today that is changing. How do you look at this beauty evolution?
It's great. I think we're evolving in many ways. Our generation is being, the spearheads for change. And when it comes to this, I'm very happy. I feel like we're finally evolving from your stereotypes. I think the stereotypes are dying, which is the best part of, fashion evolving. And I'm very happy about it.
Can you tell me when you truly felt beautiful the last time?
Truly felt beautiful. Okay. So when you say that, I don't think of anything that's visual or I don't see vanity. So when I felt beautiful, it would probably be having a really good day on set. Maybe I just shot for a film, which I can't speak about it yet.
Okay.
And I'm sure when I do speak about it, you'll be the first person I speak to about.
I remember that.
But, I had a really good day on set. And, my seniors, my directors, when they come to me and say, our vision is being implemented by you or you're doing justice to it, I think that's when I feel the most beautiful.
So you said set. When was the last time you truly were satisfied with the way you looked on screen? Which scene, which film? Let's go.
I don't know. I think since Archie is it's never been about vanity. So that character was all about vanity and about looking good. Then after that in Jigra, they buzzed my head off. Then in this, I'm playing a sick character, which is not very much, it don't look like me. So I never think of how I looked on screen there.
You've never taken that scene?
No, not yet. Not yet. जब ऐसा role आएगा which demands it, then I'll take it seriously.
Even though they've been calling you national crush and national boyfriend for a really long time.
आपने ही बोला है बब्बू, किसी ने नहीं बोला है.
You've never heard this? How can you
But that's not the general opinion. That is it's a lovely compliment, but I don't think it's true.
Please take it. I'm not the only one who feels that way. It is okay to be called that. I like Amita is like, okay. Okay, a quick beauty fast roundup. Are you ready? Okay. What is one skincare product that you absolutely follow all the time?
One skincare product, sunscreen is a must. I think that's one thing I use. Even moisturizer I always use. So those are the two things I use every day.
Do you have ghar ke nuske? Is there something that you follow, like a hack someone's passed down, a friend of yours that you think, oh, it's a homemade recipe?
मम्मी कुछ बाल में डालती है, तेल में कुछ मिला के. Okay, that is, I don't know. I've never gotten into the, whatever nitty-gritties of it. It seems way too complicated for me. But mummy वो करती है. Once a month or once in 2-3 weeks she'll do it.
You are always giving some amazing fashion looks. What is the last time that you truly think you can define your fashion by? Yeah, you look very well dressed today as well.
Well, thank you so much. I don't know. I don't know what defines me and what moment has defined me, but I think it's about
Passion defining moment होता है सबका like.
really hota hai kya? I haven't felt it. Maybe when that moment will come, I'll really feel it. But I think right now it's just been an amalgamation of, you know, the events I've been for, the movies that I've been styled for, and hopefully kahin na kahin that will lead to a defining moment.
I think you're doing great. I'm very excited for your next film as well, and we're all rooting for you, Vedang.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.